Hi! To save videos from Google Drive to your iPhone's gallery on the iOS 18, first thing that we would need to do that's to of course open our Google Drive and here find the video that you would like to save. So for example, I have chosen this one, and now to save it we would need to click on these three dots at the right edge, right from the file on the middle. So we would need to click on these three dots and here scroll down until you'll find this option, send a copy. So we would need to click on it and here scroll down again. Here we can immediately find this option, save video, which will be saved immediately to our gallery. So we would need to click on it and you can see that currently our file has been preparing for export, and if the file is bigger than mine it can take some time. But let's check our gallery now. And yes, here is the video that I was looking for right here. And because this video I have uploaded from my phone, you can also see the copy of it. So this is all. Now let me fastly tell you about some issues that you may met. So first one is that if you cannot download the video for some reason, firstly don't forget to check your storage to see if you have enough space for the video. To check your storage space, we would need to go to the settings. Here scroll down and go to the tab named General and then go to the iPhone storage. Here you can see how much free storage you have left on your phone. Second one is you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or you are at least on the mobile data, because unfortunately you cannot download the videos from cloud to your phone without internet. And third one is that Google Drive is also an application and it may have some bugs or logs, so you can just wait 5 minutes and then try it again, and all of these should help. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.